Hello and welcome to my service learning project. I volunteered with a facility called PACE. It stands for Program of All-Inclusive Care for the Elderly. PACE has an awesome mission. It includes promoting independence for older people by providing all-inclusive health and wellness services to allow them to continue to live comfortably and safely in their own homes. I work directly with Paula. She's PACE's recreational therapist. She plays a huge role in promoting independence. She does a great job in engaging with the participants and really making them feel human and not like just the elderly. She's very educated, and her knowledge of this topic and how she interacts with the participants is so inspiring. These are some pictures. This is me at the bottom. When COVID-19 actually, after the governor started closing things, we had to shut down. So I helped make some crafts to send home with the participants instead of them coming in and making them. We just made it to let them know that we're thinking about them and that we miss them. And two of the most important aspects of therapeutic recreation is goal setting, our goal setting, and mindset. They are also very important in psychology and other therapy interventions. A lot of older people who have had little socialization or have dementia have it set in their minds that they can't and that they're going to fail. So I learned a lot about how goal setting, along with many other techniques, can really create a positive mindset for these participants and show them that they actually can. But this is a journey, and for the participants, it can be important to reach big goals, but Paula says it's the most important part is the process, not necessarily the end result. I also learned about memory care. I work as a certified nursing assistant and have always been kind of nervous around patients with dementia. But what I've learned through this experience and working with Paula is really going to help me confidently interact with those patients. Providing personal care and ADL care can be challenging if you have a combative or unwilling patient with dementia. So with these tools that Paula has given me, they can be applied to make it easier and make it go smoother for everyone. And I've also learned about myself. I believe I was put on this earth to help others, and working with this facility has really helped me achieve that. Here's my photo disclaimer. The photos I used were from PACE's Facebook page, who shared them with permission from the participants. So if you have an elderly loved one who you think could really use some extra help, but you or your family is really hesitant about nursing facilities, I highly recommend the PACE program. There's a great group of people who work here, and I've learned so much from everyone. Thank you.